This is our dog, Lacey. She's a 6-month-old golden doodle. That's a cross between a golden retriever and a poodle, if you didn't know. Our dog Lacey has been diagnosed with a rare condition known as ME or Megaesophagus. The dictionary term for Megaesophagus is the abnormal enlargement of the lower portion of the esophagus. After knowing that, I sat down with my sister to try find out a little bit more about this rare disease.
Megaesophagus is a rare condition that affects the esophagus and the way it works. This can show up in dogs, cats, ferrets, and even humans. In our case, it showed up in our dog, and the lower part of the esophagus doesn't have a muscle. This can either be genetic, and it simply isn't there, or the esophagus can become paralyzed. Well, because these animals stand horizontally and they have no esophagus muscle to push food down, we have to have them stand vertically in a Bailey chair, it's called, or it's kind of a height chair for dogs. And we give them a slurry type thing. It's kind of a smoothie paste that can just slide down the esophagus and doesn't need a muscle to push it down because gravity is there for it. This disease is not common at all. The vet that we go to actually in Castleton, North Dakota has only seen 2 cases, and ours is including one of them. In most cases, and with proper care, this is not a life and death situation. As long as you have the dog standing vertically and the food can get down into the stomach and get the nutrients, this is not a life and death situation. The only problem there could be is aspiration pneumonia if the food goes into the wrong tube and gets into the lungs.
Lacey's now living a happy life just like any other dog should.